It was in a place in the Forum Mall. Yeah, they called us as a guest.
And how do you manage to do so much with your school, dance, acting, everything?
I love to go to school, but not to study.
You've acted in movies. Is it difficult and tiring?
It was like easy and fun to do it.
We'll give you the situation. You have to react.
Yes! Yes! My head is paining, Mom. My head is paining. My stomach is paining too.
Act like your favorite emoji.
ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವೇಷ. ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್?
1 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆ.
ಸೊ ಹಿ ಲಿಸನ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಬೇಕು, ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
Hello, welcome to The Vikasit Way, a one-of-a-kind podcast series brought to you by Vikasit Vidya and co-presented by Ease My Compliance, where we celebrate skill, soul and story. This episode is specially brought to you by Bhandari School Book Company, a century-old bookstore loved by one and all, where they aspire to make knowledge accessible to everyone. Every month on The Vikasit Way, we identify and bring to you those special achievers from coastal Karnataka. We bring them to you and hear from them about their success stories. I, C.S. Swati Baliga, along with Mrs. Chandana Chetan Nayak, welcome you all to this very special episode. The day every child eagerly waits for. Can we guess what day that is?
Yes, it's Children's Day. So today, since we are celebrating Children's Day, we should have our guest as a child only, right?
Yes, absolutely.
We have with us here today young, super talented, handsome child prodigy who has achieved more than his age.
Yes, absolutely. He's just 8-year-old but has his own fan base, is a true inspiration to many people and has, wooed all of his audience. We have with us Master Rishabh Rao. Welcome Rishabh, welcome to the Vikasit Way podcast. Are you happy to be here?
Yes, I'm happy.
So Master Rishabh Rao, he has represented India at a world platform. He has won the title World Prince in the Junior International World Modeling 2025 held at Vietnam. He has acted in the movie Middle Class Family and Star Suvarna Kannada's TV show Neenadena and many more. So he is a little champ who has multiple talents. He's a dancer, he's an actor, he's a model. So it is truly inspirational for all of us to have you here today.
Yes, Rishabh, welcome to the Vikasit Way. What I would like to say is our audience would love to hear from you. And I would like you to introduce yourself the way you do it in your pageants. Can you do it for us?
Yes.
Yes.
Stay true to your roots while spreading your wings. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Rao. I'm 8 years old and I study in class 3 at Lutz Central School, located in the beautiful coastal city of India, Mangalore. Modeling is my passion, along with dancing, acting and cricket. I've also won many prizes in dance competitions and fashion shows. It's my dream to become an actor and a model. Thank you.
Wonderful.
So
Deserves
cute.
a high five. Now tell us something about your parents. Do you have a sibling?
Yes, I have.
Okay. What do your parents do? What's your sibling's name?
My sibling's name is Riyan Rao.
Okay.
So my parents support me for everything, what they help me and in exams. And in
Only
especially,
exams?
No, especially in modeling, they do hard work for me for the costumes and all.
That's very sweet of you to tell. I'm sure your parents must be very proud of you. Do you remember your first stage performance? Was it a dance performance?
Yeah.
Oh.
At
Tell me
the
something
age
about
of 2, I was trained by Naveen Shetty and Likith Alva sir. And while I get 8 years old, I was trained by Kaushik sir in stunts.
Oh, wonderful. So you remember what you did at the age of 2?
Yeah.
How was the performance? Where was it?
I don't remember where it was, but it was in a place in the Forum Mall.
Okay.
It was 2019 calendar. It was like, yeah, they called us as a guest.
And you won that?
Yeah,
Oh, wow. Wonderful. So you were the calendar boy that time?
yeah.
How did you feel on stage? Were you scared or it was fun?
No, I was so happy and fun.
So you mentioned that you started dancing at the age of 2,
Yeah.
and now you are 8 years old.
Yes.
So in 6 years, you have danced a lot, right?
Yeah.
Tell us something about that. Which is your favorite performance?
My favorite performer is in international level. I love that.
You love that.
Yeah.
What was that about?
With magic tricks and their countries.
Oh, so you did some magic. So you're a magician also.
Yeah.
So you had a lot of fun. Weren't you scared that the magic will fail?
No, I was not scared. I was happy. Like it was going to be successful and yeah.
So you enjoyed it.
Yes.
And did everyone clap for you? Like were all excited to
Yeah.
watch you?
Yeah, many people were excited to watch me in the international stage.
Okay, okay. Wonderful.
So we heard that you were trained under Deepak Ganguly, right?
Yes.
For ramp walk and all.
Yeah.
How did you feel it? How was it helpful for you?
Around like age 4, 5, I was. My mom registered for a mantras that's fashion.
Okay.
I got runner up in that.
Good.
Then from there, before that, I went to a fashion show. He was a judge. Deepak Ganguly was a judge.
Oh.
So my mother thought to put me in the class. For 1 year, I was there.
So what did you learn there?
Walk and how to say the introduction and all.
I'm sure you have learned more after you joined the classes, right?
Yeah.
So did you feel a difference before you went and after you went?
Yeah, I feel some difference. Like when I was before going to the class, I was like a bit bad in this walk. Then I improved my walk.
Oh,
yeah.
so it was very helpful for you.
Yeah, it
So-
was helpful.
So even your Vietnam performance,
Yeah,
it's because of this that you could win it, right?
yeah.
Oh, lovely. And how do you manage to do so much with your school, dance, acting, everything?
We have my principal. He's friendly to us, and we ask his permission. Can we have these many days, holidays, and all? I had this.
So you enjoy going to school or miss school and go for shoots? That's a tricky question, right?
Yeah,
Mama is sitting here.
I love to go to school, but not to study.
Not as
Ah. Just play with your friends, right? Okay. How many friends do you have?
I have many.
Yeah.
Yeah, at home and in school.
Don't your friends at school miss you if you're at
Yeah, they miss me.
they miss you? So Rishabh, you've acted in movies.
Yeah.
I think the latest one was Middle Class Family, which released in the theaters, right? I watched you in that performance. So your movies, TV serials you have done,
Yeah.
short films. How was your experience acting, and were there any challenges that you faced? Is it difficult and tiring?
No, it was not difficult. It was like easy and fun to do it. Well, as it was my first time. I was feeling a bit nervous, but I got happy after that a bit days. Yeah.
Which was your first acting show or acting gig?
My first acting show was Middle Class Family.
Middle Class Family. So how did they approach you? Was there an audition?
No, there was no audition because the director is our neighbor.
Okay,
So-
okay. So you got that opportunity and you were
Yeah.
very excited, right?
Yeah.
If you'd want to perform with any of the celebrity star, who would be?
It would be Vijay Talpati.
Wow. Superb.
What kind of film do you want to do with them? With full of stunts or comedy or what is it?
With comedy and stunts.
Oh,
Comedy and
good.
stunts.
Yeah.
So you can do stunts also, aerobics
Yes.
and all.
Oh,
You'll do
yeah.
cartwheels.
Yeah.
You do?
Yes.
You have learned all that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very interesting.
Yes, yes.
This innocent boy, no, he only looks innocent.
Yeah.
Tell us something more about your interest in acting.
Yeah.
How does it
So-
go? Like usually, how are shoots planned?
Yeah, like the lights are there and but the camera will be a bit big and we needed to go in the car and all. They will go in the car. Behind the dicky the dicky will be open and they'll sit inside the dicky and they'll take the video.
So they'll move the car and the.
Yeah.
Oh wow, superb! This I didn't know.
Yes. We got a lot of knowledge from you about the shoots and all.
Yeah.
Good.
So we have another game for you. Okay.
Okay.
So it's called Act It Out. Now, because you're an actor, it's going to be very easy for you,
Yeah.
isn't it? So I will give you 3 situations,
Mhm.
and you have to act and show how you will react to it. Now, let's hope your favorite actors are watching this podcast and then they take you in their movie. Okay.
Okay.
So I will give you the situation. You have to react. You have to show how you will act. Your first one is you just won your favorite dance competition. Very good. Your little brother took your favorite toy from you and broke it. Only so much. You won't get angry.
I will say my dad to buy another one.
Oh, very smart.
Yes, yes.
When you don't want to go to school, so you're trying to convince mama.
I'll act like I have stomach pain.
Act and show.
That's right. That's right.
My head is paining, mom. My head is paining. My stomach is paining too.
And your mom will get convinced.
A bit sometimes, yeah.
You have acted like that before.
No, like I was just saying, but I want to try like that.
You want to try? We will tell your mom later. Okay. Now, shall we call your mother with you to join you?
Yeah,
We'll do that?
yes, sure.
Okay.
Now, behind every shining star, there is a guiding light. We have one of the guiding light of Rushabh with us today. Welcome to the Vikasit Way podcast, Mrs.
Welcome,
Ashwini
ma'am.
Rao. How did you realize that your son has got such a talent to
ಇವನು-
perform fearlessly on stage?
ಶೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇವನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಅಮೀನ್ ಅಂತ.
Okay.
ಒಂದು 2 years ಇರುವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಇವನು ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಅವನ
Yes, yes,
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವರು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಅಮೀನ್ ನಮ್ದು ನೇಬರ್, ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದು ಆರ್ಯನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4 years ಆಗುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆವು.
Okay.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 2 month ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ರೂಪೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Oh.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆದ್ರು.
ಕರೆದ್ರು,
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ
okay.
ಒಂದೊಂದು ಜರ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವ್ನು. ಮತ್ತೆ
Okay.
ನಾನು ಈ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶೋ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣವೇಷ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಇದು ವಿನ್ನರ್ ರನ್ನರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದ.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದು ನಾವು.
ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಸುದು. ನೈಸ್. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್?
1 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣವೇಷ
ತಿಂಗಳ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಮುಂಚೆನೆ
ನಾನು
ನೀವು
ಒಂದು
start ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ.
ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟಮಿ
ಹಾ.
ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗ. ನಾನೊಂದು ಜುಲೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆನೆ
Prepare ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ.
ಗುಡ್ ಗುಡ್.
ಲಲಿತಾ ಕಲಾ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಜುಲೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ. ನಂಗೆ
ಬೇಕು.
ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇಡೀ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಐಟಮ್ ನಂಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು 1 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು.
ಈಗ ಋಷಭ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂಚೂರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರೈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅದು ಕೊಡದೆ, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಸಹ ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಗೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಬಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ
Okay.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಓದಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರದ್ದು ಫುಡ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ
ಫುಡ್
ಮಗುವಿಗೆ?
ನಾನು ಮನೆದೇ ಫುಡ್ ಕೊಡು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Okay.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಹಾ,
ಅವರು ರೈಸ್, ರಸಂ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ.
ಆ?
ಬೇರೆ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ.
ಹಾ.
ರಸಂ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೈಸ್ ರಸಂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು.
Okay.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಮ್ದು ದೋಸೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಆತರ
ಹಾ,
ಬೇರೆ extra-
ತಿಂತಾನೆ,
ಹಾ
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನಖರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಬೇಕು, ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಅದ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಿಯೆಟ್ನಾಂ ಇದು ಜರ್ನಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದು ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತದ್ದು?
ವಿಯೆಟ್ನಾಂ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೋಗೋ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ನಾವು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವನ್ನ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮೇರಿಜಾನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದು ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆಡಿಷನ್ ಬಂತು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಯೆಟ್ನಾಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವಾಡಿಗ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಸಿಟಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು 2023 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀನ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಅವರು. ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನವರೇ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರದ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಆಡಿಷನ್ಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗೆ ಆಡಿಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆವು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಲೋಟಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇವೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಉಂಟು, ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಉಂಟು. ಅದವರು ವೆಲ್ ಫ್ರೋ ಹಾಕಿ ಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇದಿತ್ತು ಟೈಗರ್, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಸೆಟಪ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕಬ್ಬಿನ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದೆವು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್, ಶೂಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ. 12th ಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿಯೆಟ್ನಾಂ ರೀಚ್ ಆದೆವು. 13th ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೀಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಮೀಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೀಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಶೂ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಮೀಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಒಂದು 22 ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ರು. 14th ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್, ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 9 o'clock ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿದು ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ನಮ್ದು ಫೈನಲ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ದನಾಂಗ್ಗೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ ದಿನ ಕೂಡ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಜ್ವರನೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜ್ವರದಲ್ಲೇ ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ.
ಆದ್ರೂ ವಿನ್ ಆದಲ್ಲ.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್, ಅವರು ಫೈನಲ್ ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು 8 ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಾಡಿದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಒಂದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಒಂದು 3-4 ಗಂಟೆ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜ್ವರ ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹುಷಾರಾದ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಲೂ ಅಡಸ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ನಾವಂತೂ ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಲ್ರು. ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರು ರಾಹುಲ್, ವರ್ಷ, ಪವನ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನವೀನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು.
ಅವನು ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಯಂಗ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಂತ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅವರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶೋ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಉಂಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಅವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಿಷಬ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ರಿಷಬ್, and what kind of support does your school give you? Like when you have to go to such competitions or shoots, you take a lot of holidays, no?
Yeah.
So your school supports you in that?
Yeah, my principal supports, and I have a teacher that she's my favorite teacher. Her name is Lisa ma'am. She was my second standard teacher. She still knows me and she supports me now.
She supports you now also. And then if you have exams?
In exam times, we will handle it.
How do you cope up with the whatever classes and all you have missed?
Before going to the competitions and we will say them like we can't come for these many days.
Yes.
And, same like school only, we'll ask them permission.
What about the notes? I'm asking notes and the classes which you have missed. How do you cope up with that?
Sometimes my sibling might do. I have a big sister, she might do, or I come from the country and I'll do, or I'll take the books to the country.
Now that we are celebrating Children's Day, what is your favorite part of Children's Day?
Children's Day is in November, right? Our annual day is also in November, so we'll do in the stage which one is ready for annual day. In there, and we celebrate some other birthdays in there. And I get happy when I have the birthday in November 14th.
Whose birthday is on November 14th?
My friend.
Your friend. Oh, okay.
You go to his house to celebrate his birthday?
No, I don't know where his house is, but we are close.
So there is another segment, okay? It's a little game. So it's called Unfiltered with Vikasit. In every episode, we ask 10 questions to our guest. Similarly, we will ask you 10 questions. And the rule is very simple. You just have to answer quickly.
Okay.
You don't have to think. Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Set? Go.
Okay.
Which is your favorite cartoon character?
Robin Inca, it's a network, Cartoon Network.
Okay. Who's stricter, mom or dad?
Mom,
Do you like pizza or burger more?
Pizza.
One thing that you're very scared of.
crocodiles.
Crocodiles, not
Oh.
cockroaches.
No,
You're not
not
scared
scared
of.
of.
no, I'm not.
Good. Do you like cricket?
Yeah,
Who's your favorite cricketer?
AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli.
And Virat
Yeah,
Kohli.
that's
also. So RCB fan.
Yeah,
Do you love to dance or watch TV?
watch TV.
Who takes you to all your classes, mom or dad?
Mom.
Still,
Mostly mom, but sometimes dad.
What do you want to become when you grow up?
A cricketer and an actor.
Both. Act like your favorite emoji. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I had fun.
Did you like this episode today? Recording with us?
Yeah.
Is there a message that you would want to give your friends or wish them a very happy Children's Day?
I would wish them all the best and study and listen to your moms, not like me, and happy Children's Day.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Okay, thank you so much,
Yeah.
Rishabh, for being with us today. So, our knowledge partners, Bhandari School Book Company, has sent this big hamper for you, full of gifts, to wish you a very happy Children's Day and also to congratulate you for your wonderful success.
Thanks, I would love to say them thanks.
Happy
Happy
Children's
Children's
Day.
Day, Rishabh.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Okay. Here's Team The Vikasit Way wishing our audience a very happy Children's Day. So, to all our listeners, always keep the child in you alive. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep dreaming. And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't miss to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel on The Vikasit Way. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at The Vikasit Vidya. This is your host, Swati Baliga, signing off.